What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a super quick video. I was using my portable tire inflator, okay, the one that plugs into the cigarette lighter, and I blew the fuse. At least I thought I blew the fuse. So I changed it and it's still not working. So it's not the fuse. I have to take it apart and see what I blew. This is the back, and that's how it's looking. So I guess we're gonna change that. I'm using a 7mm. I'm not even sure if that's right, but it fits. To hold it from the bottom so the cigarette lighter shit won't fall out. This is how it's looking. This one's not blown out, so let's see if it works. Try the cigarette lighter and see if it works. Nothing. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I have my heater on. It says hot. It says hot right there, but watch. If I press this, that shit turns off.